Good evening everyone, welcome here for the very first time here on this channel. Welcome as well this evening here in Monaco. It's a very classroom that you're going to discover here, the presentation of the all brand new Rolls Royce Cullinan that we've been waiting for so long, like around 3-4 years through everything has been finally done. The old world press released, it has been released like this week just. So we have the very first cars here available and we're going to discover all around. And the car, when you take a look in global and at real, it's madness, particularly here with that red color. So as you can see, the front is very huge, more huge than on the Phantom. You do have the LED lights as well, the massive grille on the front, you do have the night vision cameras and all these black touches that are surrounding the car. You obviously has as well the spirit of ecstasy that is in the front of the bonnet and at the end of the bonnet when you're driving it. LED lights, also adaptive on the road, and under the bonnet you have a 6.75 liter V12. It's exactly the same one that we've got on the regular Phantom. Take a look also for this 22 inches dark silver, like black. You have more colors, but the wheels are very massive, 22 inches with this all 3Ds and these two colors. And you do have a massive door as well. And we're going to take a look inside just later on. But look at that, 5.3 meters long, 2.1 meters wide. And look how huge is the all brand new Cullinan. It's just so madness. You as well have the suicide doors and the inside is as gorgeous as the inside. So we're going to take a look on the rear as well with that massive boot inside around 600 liters. And check this out, it's look not as the Phantom but for the SUV, like all the red LED lights just all around. Wow, very impressive. So we're gonna take a look at the boot as well. Check this out. Wow, you have massive place inside of the boot. For long journeys, you can fill a lot of luggage inside of that boot as well. And you click once and the both parts are closing. Wow, check this out. We do have another version with full white that we're going to discover just later on. But check out the suicide doors. When you step in, look at that, even the inside. So let's start with the rear. And you have an extended Phantom, we almost can say like this, with the spirit of ecstasy who welcomes you inside of the car. And all these touches, the Cullinan illuminated. And check out the rear, you do have the massive panoramic sunroof as well. And you have so much place just all around the car. Check this out, you have this all carpeting, very puffy. And look how much place you have inside. It's just madness for an SUV. Wow, and all that leather with all black touches, the rolls. And you do have the screen as well when you push the button. Wow, and it's all touchable, digital, so you can navigate wherever you want. Check this out, you have the navigation, you do have all the settings and all the information for the car that you need. Just another press button and it turns off. And all the front as well that we're going to check in 1 second. I think the inside of the Cullinan, how massive the doors are, how wide, incredible as well. Cullinan illuminated. and you have this full massive luxury. You can feel its very nice touches all around the car. Let's check them out. Everything new, the dials, the clocks. You have this Cullinan clock right here. All the screen, all touchable with this roll. And you do have some new settings. And here's some storage as well. The off-road, these are some new buttons for this Cullinan. Check this out, 2 cup holders, and here you have this middle separation that comes all around. Wow. And you can see all the Spirit of Ecstasy in the front of the car. So after the red one, we do have another Cullinan version fully in grey and all white inside. And we're going to discover that the full white inside is absolutely gorgeous. It has the wood, all the white leather, and you do have as well all the blue line that is crossing all the car. You can spot the door as well, and the whole inside is fully in white. That gives a look of the Phantom that we've got in Geneva for the press days, all the purple, etc. You have all the massive wood, and you have 4 places only here at this Cullinan. So you have 2 versions. You can have 5 seats or you can 4 seats. And look at that, this blue, all blue, white leather, etc. So it's absolutely wonderful how everything has been presented on this version. Check this out. And you have the panoramic sunroof as well. But the inside with that combination is more than gorgeous. Thank you guys for watching. Hope that you really appreciated this all brand new Rolls Royce Cullinan presentation here in Monaco for the very first time. So unique. And I haven't told you, but we are surrounded all over by the boats, Rivieras, that are just here at the top of us. So yeah, I hope that you really appreciate it. You can of course comment the car, what did you think about it for the very brand new Cullinan SUV. And yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe as well, and hope to see you very soon for some other wonderful brand new videos. And trust me, there is a lot of coming up here in the channel, and because the summer is started as well. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, stay tuned, and see you very soon. Bye!